Hi, this is Jay at intelligenttrendfollower.com. Today, I just want to show you a quick video of how to find Canadian breakout stocks using investing.com and their free stock screener. So let's get started. So first, just head over to investing.com. And you should notice when you arrive from Canada, there'll be a little pop-up over here that will ask you if you want to go to the Canadian edition. So just go ahead and click Take Me there. If it doesn't prompt you to do that, you should just be able to click on this little flag up here to get the site that you want, or you can type in ca.investing.com to get to the Canadian site. From here on the home page, over here on the right hand side, you see the stock screener tab. So just go ahead and click on that. And this brings you to the Canadian stock screener, which is pretty easy to use. Now, to get started, you'll see here you're in Canada. You can change the country if you wanted. You can also specify which Canadian exchange you want. And this does have the CSE, which is getting a lot of attention these days. I do also like to use stockcharts.com to screen for Canadian stocks, but they only have the Toronto exchange and the Venture exchange. So investing.com has a little bit more, a bigger universe to pick from, so to speak. You can also drill down on sectors or industries if you want. For this example, I'm just going to keep those broad and look at all Canadian stocks, but you can filter by exchange or sector if you want. So in terms of finding breakout stocks, in my opinion, breakout stocks are those that are hitting new highs. So, to me, the most appealing breakouts are the stocks hitting 52-week highs. And investing.com makes this really easy. So in the screener, just click on the price tab and then click on percent change from 52-week high. This little screen over here then comes up, and it's not that intuitive, but basically it shows you stocks, all the stocks in the universe, 3,000 of them, between the furthest from the high to 0%, which is at the high. So if you want to find stocks at new highs, basically you're just going to go ahead and say 0% from 52-week highs. And here you go. This gives you a list of 126 different stocks that are Canadian listed and breaking out to new 52-week highs. These columns down here are sortable, so if you wanted to sort by exchange, or if you wanted to sort by the highest volume stocks, that's also very easy to do just with the click of a button. Again, you could also sort by market cap or percentage change on the most recent trading day, or by price, which is what last means. It's the last price of the stock. So that's basically it in a nutshell. If you want to go further, you can just filter on additional criteria. You could limit the exchange to just the main TSX board. That will again update the results down here. You could also look for stocks that are not only hitting 52-week highs, but that are at least even on the day. So this would be the stocks that are up today, and or now stocks that are up today. and also hitting new 52-week highs. Um, you could, maybe you also want to add a filter for stocks that are, up 10% or more on the year and also up today at new 52-week highs. These are, if you sort by volume, these are probably sort of the momentum leaders at the moment. But basically, you can layer on all sorts of different fundamental or technical criteria, kind of based on whatever's of interest to you. So I do encourage you to play around with this a little bit more. Maybe you don't want stocks with a PE ratio of almost 12,000. Maybe you want to keep that a little bit more reasonable. So again, we're getting down to a smaller list of stocks. But it really is up to you. I think the key things to keep in mind are that these price filters that let you choose stocks that are up is the best place to go to find breakouts. Then, and additionally, if you want to sort by exchange, that's another easy way to limit your universe. But, really, this is quite a great stock screener for Canadian traders who want to find breakouts. It's really quite easy to use, and the results are easy to sort and sift. So I really do like this investing.com screener, and I hope you find this little tutorial useful. I encourage you to play around more. And I do have a more kind of detailed blog post I wrote on the blog. I'll link to it below in the description of this video. So it's just a bit more step-by-step instructions of how to find Canadian breakout stocks, both with investing.com and also with stockcharts.com. So you can check that out as well. Lastly, I do encourage you to come check out intelligenttrendfollower.com. I'm posting new trade ideas each week that you can see here for free. They all include entry prices as well as stop losses and a little bit of market analysis, right? So I try to show you where I'm buying and where I'm selling so you can have a full view end to end of how I'm planning these trades. So come on over. I hope you found this video helpful. There is a link in the description to the full blog post. But if nothing else, head on over to investing.com and start playing around. So thanks very much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful, and feel free to subscribe to the channel and come on over to Intelligent Trend Follower for some stock picks each week. Thanks very much for watching.